Hello everyone, my name is William and welcome back to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Today is the 28th of February 2018. So in today's video, as I mentioned yesterday, I will start doing a series of videos on how to pick an altcoin for both the short-term and long-term potential. So this is going to be the episode 1. But before we jump into that, let's just have a quick look at Bitcoin's chart right now. So if you watched my video yesterday, I drew this possible inverse head and shoulder formation, and I gave out two possible outcomes, all depending if we can break out this long-term downtrend line and we can break out the neckline around $11,800. So let's zoom in here. What we can see is yesterday we actually touched the downtrend line here and here 2 times, and both times we got rejected on the same 1 hour candle. And now we are back trading around $10,600. We're still above the 50-day and the 100-day EMA, I think, or just around that. But in my opinion, if we can hold this position, see, we have strong bounce around 10,550 or so. If we can hold this position, the longer we hold it, more of a chance we can bounce to the upside. Okay, so that's my opinion. And of course, the two scenarios I gave out was if we do break out this neckline, then inverse head shoulder formation, we have a chance to have upside to around $17,640. And if we do not break out the downtrend line, what's going to happen is we're going to have another leg down. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C correction, and our C would end around this range. So we'll be between 0.618 to 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is between $8,200 to $8,900. Sorry, I just got up. Sorry about my yawning. Okay. Next, let's have a look. Let's jump into the main content of today's video. So I want to bring out this website here, coinmarketcal.com. Personally, I use this website a lot to give me short-term signals on altcoins. So basically, it's a calendar that will give you a list of upcoming and of course past events for different altcoins and as well as Bitcoin, and it will go to actually I've never seen what's the latest date, probably, you know, months down the track. Okay, what we have to focus here is the validation votes. So the higher the validation is, the more likely a chance the event will happen. And you see the ones with above 80-90%, it's pretty much it's got good validation proof. And you can also click on the source to see where they get the claim that this event will happen that's from. Also, of course, you can check the specific coins Reddit or Twitter to see if they have any posts or tweets regarding the event. So how do we use this tool or this website? Well, for me personally, I'm looking for big events, and this will be like a mainnet launch or testnet launch, or a coin that's releasing a prototype product or working product. I'll also be looking for a coin to be listed on a major exchange, right? These are the big ones, the big events, okay? Um, and the ones I wouldn't be looking at will be stuff like airdrop, stuff like meetings, meetups, partnerships. Also a big one if they announcing a big partnership coming up. Okay, um, rebranding. I don't really look into rebranding. I don't think it's a big opportunity to buying for rebranding, because basically they just rebrand what their product, and they probably update their roadmap and giving it another logo or a name. So I'm not too big on rebranding. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. What you want to look for is, again, mainnet testnet launch, major exchange listings, uh, prototype release, or working product release. Okay, so let's look at the past events. I have two examples I want to show. You can click here and you can search by specific coin. So let's look at Electronium. Okay, and by the way, the ones I look here will be the bigger altcoins, right? The one with a good community support and maybe good healthy market cap. I'm not going to even a super small altcoins doing a big announcement, except if it's a big exchange listing, I wouldn't look too much into it. So with Electronium, and we click onto the past events, sorry, I have to do this again. Electronium. What happens is on the 26th February, so 2 days ago, Electronium announced that, okay, 25th of February, they announced that they will be added onto KuCoin listing. Okay, this is actually changed, because when I was checking on the 25th, it says 26th. Okay, so this was a 26th of February announcement. So KuCoin is a bigger exchange now, in my opinion. And Electronium, if you go to coinmarketcap.com and look at the exchanges it's currently listed on, and the biggest is Cryptopia, and not many people uses Cryptopia. So KuCoin will be a very big boost, and it's already have a $500 million market cap, so it's a larger altcoin, right? And if you look at the chart here, basically we had a huge boost right on the 26th of February, and this was before it got listed on KuCoin, okay, not after. So the smart people, what they do is that they start buying off, because you will be able to see this way in advance, right? So a lot of people will be buying off around here when it was relatively flat, and when the actually listing date is near, what they do is they sell off. Okay, they sell off before the listing happens. So buy the rumor and sell the news. And we can see a huge sell off after the price went from 7 cents, 7.5 cents to 12 cents. So that's almost like a 50%. That's more than a 50% increase, right? At the highest point. Okay, so that's with Electronium. And also, if we look at Litecoin, we can also see on the 26th of February, they announced that LitePay is going to be launched, which is big, because LitePay is going to be a big working product. right? And if you look at the price, basically the buying volume started around the 24th of February, or even you can say from the 23rd of February, so 3 days before um, the supposed launch date, right? And you can see the price was driven from around $180 to the top was around $235. So what's that? Is that like a 30% increase? And now we're seeing a sell-off right here. But keep in mind, Lightpay got delayed. The launch got delayed. So, and I'm quite big on Litecoin, and we have an option line here. If we can keep this going, Litecoin is still in a good position, right? Okay, so as you can see from the past events, and I'm only giving out two because these are the two most recent, that this really works, okay? Especially for established altcoins. If we do look at upcoming events, let's see. Mainnet release for SYS. I don't really know what's SYS, but let's have a look on CoinMarketCap. Syscoin. Let's look at 7 days. Okay. So it's supposed to release 28th of February or earlier. So on the 27th or the 26th, that's where people start buying in, and that's around 55 cents. And today, right now, we're at 65 cents, okay? So that's around, or almost a 20%, 15-20% increase. And SYS got a 346 million market cap as well, so it's a good healthy market cap. Okay, so now we looked into one upcoming coins. I think I'll end the video here. I'm not going to talk too many upcoming coins. You'll do your own research using my method, okay? Because if I keep looking into different altcoins, people will be saying I'm shilling them, okay? So do your research on this website. What you can do is, personally, that's what I do, is I use my personal Google Calendar, right? And I find the dates here, but instead of put them on the same day of the events happening, I put them, I put a reminder a week prior, and I put another reminder a few days prior. Okay, so that's when I can start buying into this. Okay, so to recap today's video, basically, once you go on coinmarketcal.com, I'll put a link below. What you'll be looking for is upcoming events for more established altcoins. Okay, what you want to look for is a Mainnet Testnet release. You want to look for a prototype product or working product that's going to be launched, and you want to look for a big partnership announcement, or it's going to be listed on a major exchange. Okay, so make sure to buy the rumors, or in this case, buy the hype, right, and sell before the news. Why don't you sell when the news come out, and maybe people will buy in more, and you can sell for a higher price in theory, right? But it doesn't really work, because a lot of people, they will be doing this as well. And also with altcoins that has a healthy following, a healthy market cap, a healthy Reddit following, the followers will know about this, way in advance as well. Okay, so they will looking to accumulate through the hyping process as well. And I'm sure a lot of them right now even they will think that when the news come out, then they will sell for a higher price. But you think about it, you buy up, the people who has the demand for these coins buy up during the hype process, and when the news come out, the demand gets dried up, and once a small group of people decides to sell, this will lead to a chain event, and the coin will get sold off, even if the news is super good, right? So this event, even with 90% validation, might not happen, or it might get delayed, or it happens and it's good news. To me, it doesn't really make a difference. There will be a sell off regardless. Okay, so make sure buy the rumors and sell the news. So that will be the end of this video, and this will be the first episode of a series of video. I'm going to look into different ways to identify an altcoin to buy in for both short and long term. So please stay tuned. Give me a like if you find this video useful, and please subscribe, follow me on Twitter for daily crypto update, and I will see you guys in my next video.